Hey there, bike enthusiasts! Today we've got something really exciting for you. We've scoured the market to bring you the latest and most innovative bicycle and bike gadgets that you absolutely need to check out in 2024. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Gone are the days of fumbling for keys or worrying about the security of your bike. The Bisu Smart Lock is a cutting-edge gadget that provides keyless entry and advanced security features. The connectable mount system allows the Bisu Smart Bike Lock to be effortlessly attached to your bike frame, blending in seamlessly with its design. With a powerful 100 decibel warning alarm, it's loud enough to deter potential thieves. Not only that, but the lock also sends you instant theft notifications on your smartphone, ensuring that you're immediately aware of any suspicious activity around your bike. Imagine walking away from your bike after a ride, and it automatically secures itself. The Bisu measures the signal strength between your smartphone and the lock, ensuring a safe distance before triggering the automatic locking mechanism. And as you approach your bike, it seamlessly unlocks, eliminating the need for keys or manual operations. It's the first fully automated smart bike lock that comes with riding data analysis. Get ready to revolutionize the way you track your biking performance with CoreCap by Core Components, the world's first bike computer that seamlessly integrates into the steerer tube of your bike, providing all the metrics you need at a glance. Say goodbye to bulky devices on your handlebars or those awkward holders exposing your phone to impacts. With CoreCap, your bike computer is now protected from the elements and perfectly integrated, giving you the ultimate partner on the trail. It's the first truly customizable bike computer. You have the power to choose from a variety of available features and customize up to 5 preset screens tailored to your preferences, ensuring that you always have the metrics that are essential to your ride right in front of you. Control all of CoreCap's features using the dedicated mobile app. Whether it's speed, distance, heart rate, or any other metric crucial to your ride, you can effortlessly customize your CoreCap to display exactly what you need. It's like having a personal biking dashboard that adapts to your preferences. If you're looking for a versatile bike that can adapt to your changing needs, the Convercycle bike is a game changer. This innovative bicycle features a unique extendable frame that allows you to switch between a regular bike and a cargo bike in seconds. Whether you need to carry groceries, transport your kids, or haul larger items, the Convercycle bike has got you covered. With its sleek design and practical functionality, this gadget is perfect for urban commuters and families alike. The Convercycle seamlessly transforms from a regular bike to a cargo bike in just a few seconds. It's perfect for those moments when you need to carry more than just yourself, giving you the flexibility you've always dreamed of. Keeping your bike safe and secure is crucial, and the Airlok locks are here to provide the ultimate protection. This innovative bike lock combines high security features with a stylish design, ensuring that your bike is safe from theft. The Airloks are made from hardened steel and can be easily mounted to any wall or post. With its unique triangular shape, the lock doubles as a bike rack, saving space and adding a touch of elegance to your home or office. Say goodbye to cumbersome chains and embrace the convenience and security of Airloks. Now we're diving into the world of convenient and compact bike tools with the Granite Stash RCX Multi-Tool Kit. This 8-piece multi-tool is a game-changer for cyclists who crave functionality without the bulk. Let's take a closer look. The Granite Stash RCX comes packed with an 8-piece multi-tool set. From hex keys to Torx wrenches, it's got everything you need for those on-the-go adjustments and fixes. The best part? It's all super lightweight and neatly stowed away in a place you'd least expect. Your steerer tube. That's right, the Stash RCX cleverly utilizes the empty space inside your steerer tube to create a lightweight storage compartment for essential tools. Installing the Stash RCX is quick and easy, with no need to tap into your steerer. Simply slide it into place, and you're good to go. It's the kind of tool that effortlessly integrates into your biking routine without any hassle. Safety should always be a top priority when cycling, And the Lumos Ultra Smart helmet takes it to the next level. This high-tech helmet is equipped with integrated lights and turn signals, making you more visible to motorists and pedestrians. The helmet also features a built-in accelerometer that detects when you're braking, automatically activating the rear lights to alert those behind you. With the Lumos Ultra Smart helmet, you can ride with confidence, knowing that you're maximizing your visibility and safety on the road. If you have an old or unused bicycle lying around, the Scara e-bike conversion kit can transform it into a powerful electric bike with minimal effort. The Scara e-bike conversion kit is all about making your ride super smooth and effortlessly powerful. Featuring an all-in-one motor and battery drive unit, this compact marvel delivers the perfect blend of power and efficiency. Click on, cycle off, it's that simple. Transforming your bike into an e-bike and back again takes mere seconds thanks to an intuitive, lightweight design. With just a click, you have the freedom to enjoy the electric boost or switch back to traditional pedaling. It's engineering made simple and accessible for everyone. The Scara e-bike conversion kit is designed to fit on any bike with a disc brake. Whether it's your trusty mountain bike or your sleek city cruiser, this kit gives you the freedom to choose the bike you love. Your favorite bike becomes your electric companion with a simple installation process. These 7 innovative bicycle and bike gadgets are revolutionizing the way we ride. From converting your regular bike into an e-bike to enhancing safety with smart helmets and locks, these gadgets offer a wide range of benefits for cyclists of all levels. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content.